Something a little bit different today for you. Um, so a couple of years ago we was donated an old bamboo house that had fallen apart, and we just moved it into our lower part of field at the mum and dad's house and just used it as a little bit of seating, but it was very broken and destroyed. And then a couple of months ago it just fell apart. So this morning we decided to cut the base in half and create ourselves a little platform for the pond so that we can get out and feed the little fish. Because over the last couple of days, as we've been chucking in the fish food, it's been blowing back towards us, so it wasn't very successful. So we need to get a little bit closer. So this is what we're doing. Okay, so went out and bought 4 blue containers which we use for food safe, so we know it's not going to be detrimental to the fish. And just pass him on another post. So this was the base of the old bamboo house, which we're recycling, which we do a lot of recycling, and we're making ourselves a little platform to walk out so that we're closer to the little nursery pond where we can feed the fish at ease. And unfortunately Mon tried out the floating containers earlier and fell off the platform several times into the water, which, as always, you never have a camera with you when you need it. So that would have been a great bit of video for you all. So okay, so we'll come back to that in a minute once it's finished. Here we go, little update on the bedding plants, bedding containers. Progress is coming on. Decided to put a box all surround the beans. Still got this side to finish, and then we'll move on to this one and so on, and put a footpath through the middle here as well, which the idea is to stop the soil washing away when it rains and hold the little banks together and to tidy it up a bit. And it will also have a added bonus that there'll be less grass to cut, so it should over time reduce the maintenance down a little bit. So a few blocks still to grind and fit them in. As always, a job that you think will do fairly quick always seems to take a lot longer than you imagine in your mind. So still work in progress. Still got to do this channel down here, finish this side off, a few blocks across the front. Yeah, half a dozen blocks to grind, and a few more blocks down here and to pin them in. As you can see, it's quite muddy and boggy where the water's been coming down, but I think it will tidy it up really nice and start to lay the vegetable garden out more permanent. So that's the update on the bedding plants. Grass is coming on nice over this section. So maybe by September they'll all green up, and then I'm in two minds if I'll put another bedding plant in there, or I'm looking at this area to take the chilies out, put them in the pots once we get the soil, and create another bedding area in that section. So that's our little update for today. As always, thanks for watching. Oh, look at that nice black sky. Obviously rain's going to come in soon. Please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons, and share the channel if you like, and help us grow. So thanks again. See you on the next video.